Hi guys, it's Sam White here, and I might not be here. I'm not gonna be on YouTube for a while because I'm going to camp. So yeah, let's just play White Dungeon. I'm about to fall off this thing. Fall off this plane. Awesome. I think I can make it. I think I can. Whoa. Let's go! I made it. I made it.
Like the tire pressure number? Oh, okay.
Oh, I did it? No, let's go. This is gonna hurt. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. That hurt. That's hurt. I'm gonna go spawn.
And I couldn't even see, like,
at the obstacle? Where? What is that? This is my old account for your information. This is not my main, so don't you dare think that is my main.
You don't know which tire.
How to go to the center? Can I go here? And I'm gonna go all the way high up. I'm gonna go above this place. And then once I fall, once I start falling, I should. The impact should be fast enough to make the effect when you hit your body real hard. I think it's like when you hit your head. I don't know. There we go. There you go. There's also a white effect with that, but I just got the colorful vibration, the vibrant colors. Oh man. I want you to hit me. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's the white effect for it.
In 1989, 1 month after the torso washed up on Staten Island and was first investigated by the medical examiners.
Oh shoot. What the fuck?
I don't want that blanket. I don't want the blanket.
Share the most sensitive details about her remains because our girl has already had so much taken from her. But there's one important detail we can share.
Wait, what's that? Oh shoot, I'm done.
It was clear that both
Oh my god, what am I doing? Ayo.
She didn't just fall off some boat into shark-infested waters. And there's more.
So we're looking at the toxicology report from the New York City medical examiner.
It's important to note that the torso has been in the water for a while. So not everything will show up, but they do depend. Something that showed that our Jane Doe had recently taken cocaine. But it's New York, in the 80s, so a bit of cocaine in the system, frankly, doesn't really narrow down our list of potential victims.
I wish I could go on the air.
Our lost sister could still be unknown.
I want to go on the air because I don't like car rides.
Or she can register the dark corners of the web.
Yeah, but you didn't give me anything to go on, baby. I have nothing.
Mindy's got a hunch.
Huh?
Right over
What's
there.
that? Oh. Vibrant colors.
About 18 emails to the Office of the Medical Examiner. And it basically said, unless you're the family, you can't really get this information. And so I said, she's like, I just
Here we go again.
I don't know that I'm not the family.
I wonder it's wrong, but I wonder which tire it is.
Because calling Miss Greenville our lost sister is very and at one point, the man cats truly believe she was lost. And it feels like family to us.
It wasn't on before.
Oh my gosh.
I said, no, I won't want to speak to Lydia. Hey, what are you going to
Hey, wait. No.
So I'm waiting to hear from legal. I don't hear from legal because I'm pushing and I'm a New Yorker and I know where they live. I'll go and say, I want to speak to legal. Guess what? You never heard from legal. So we turn up the heat and file a Freedom of Information Access request.
It is.
But we're still waiting to hear back.
You got a potty?
Looks like we're going to get anywhere. We're going to need to start knocking on some doors, whether people want us to or not.
Who has to pee?
Coming up next in the girlfriends, Dr. To the street.
I'll try and use it. I don't.
Even there. We still don't have it.
Mobile provider just increased their prices again? Switch to Spectrum Mobile, the nation's fastest growing mobile
This is
provider.
part 2 of when I played this game. I'm never gonna be somebody's family. Yay, bitch.
It's never been easier. We'll pay out your phone balance up to $2,500. Stop dealing with price hikes from your cell phone. Get Spectrum Mobile. Visit spectrum.com/it pays to switch for full details. Offer subject to change. Service not available. Restrictions apply.
Maybe you've noticed that when it comes to business, people who succeed tend to be the people who seek out partners with skills and knowledge that they don't have. That's what Lenovo's free online membership program, Lenovo Power, can do for small businesses. If you're not a tech expert, that's where Lenovo can help. So you can ask
I'm about to go high in my
all your tech questions for free. So to join Lenovo Pro,
I'm about to get high on my own.
experiences with Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 hardware powered by Intel Core Ultra processors.
I am preferred.
In this episode,
I could try to get high on my own.
you mentioned serial killers. And this had diagnosis but also our very own Dr. Detective Mindy Shapiro get the chance to spot
I'ma try to get high on my own. Sip, sip.
in the hopes of reuniting bodies of unidentified people as families. You can find them at DNADoeProject.com. And you already know you're probably going to hear some swear words from me. I'm passionate. In the last episode, Nana and
Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, okay. Let's try to get the obstacles here. What the freak? Like crazy, like, oh shoot, I'm about to fall, isn't it? That was actually pretty cool. Actually very cool. I'm not literally the effects. That's just how it is.
1.2 miles. Take the exit onto I-80 and Ohio Turnpike toward Toledo.
I'm back, and that's it for the video. And so I'll see you after I'm done with camp. So